what?
I can't video.
Eh?
I can't video.
If I can't video me?
Yeah.
Somebody video me, what?
All right, folks, in this segment, we are joined by our colleague, Adrienne Gordon. She's here to share her deeply personal journey of caring for a sick mom over the past 15 years. This experience led her to create a feature which explores the question, who cares for the caregiver?
You have tissue over there?
Yeah, I brought it because just seeing her again, I'm like, ooh,
I know.
don't do that. All right.
Morning, my friend.
Hi, morning.
How are you? How are you?
It's been a rough 2.5 months, I must say. Didn't plan to cry today, but just seeing her a while ago, you know, that's just brought up a lot of emotions for me. But I'm trying to. I'm trying.
Yeah, when someone says a caregiver, because both my parents were sick for a little while before they died. I wasn't a caregiver. It's not like I was looking after them. So when you say you're a caregiver, what exactly does that entail?
Helping somebody who is unable to help themselves, and it depends on the level of help that the person needs. So some people need heavy duty care, meaning they need, help with moving and bathing and eating and probably getting medication and stuff. And then there are other people who may just need someone to oversee to ensure that they're okay. So it depends on the level of care. And some persons provide care via finances while other persons are there doing the physical work. So it depends.
Were you?
Everything. I was all of it.
I think you need to move this.
Oh, my hair.
It's because of
I should know this, right?
Yeah. How long we know you know this?
Long time. 13?
Yeah.
Yeah,
For
13
as long
years.
as I've known you, you have been completely hands-on with your mom. Juggling this job, juggling taking care of mommy, running from work to home to make sure she's all right, to cook, to move her, to... I mean, it's hard work, but it takes a toll.
It felt like I had 3 jobs. So there was taking care of mom, especially when she lost her mobility. That was one job in itself because I had to get up early enough to bathe her and feed her and had to leave food for her when I came to work, which is my other job. And then there's a job of, your domestic duties of washing, cooking and cleaning and doing all of that. I felt like during that period, as much as I would do it again, I was a zombie. I was just going through the different phases because I had to. I just had to. So I didn't even stop to think about...
This job was one, taking care of her was one. What was the third one?
The domestic duties is the other.
And the fourth one was trying to take care of yourself.
Oh.
And you were failing.
Yeah, that part. I tried. I came every day with a smile on my face and I did everything that I had to do. And people said to me, I think you're all right because you're always so jovial, because I'm very sociable and I come to work and I give jokes and I give trouble. And, if there's something that's supposed to take place as a team in the newsroom, there goes Deidre spearheading everything, planning and putting things together. I guess I just had to.
You said already that as much as you would do it again, but was there any time during the journey that you said, I can't do this anymore?
To be honest, every day.
So what kept you going?
We have each other. She had me, I have her.
She was your ride or die, man.
Only child. It's just us. So I had to because she did it for me. So I had to.
You did this feature on other folks who are caregivers. Tell me why you decided to do the feature and what do you want us to understand about this role?
So it was very personal,
Yeah.
as you know, having been a caregiver myself. And I'm like, a lot of people don't take into consideration what caregivers go through. And it's like how I started the feature by asking the question or by stating, every time someone would call, they'd be, hey, how mommy doing? Just checking up to ensure mommy's okay. And nobody says, how are you?
How about you?
And I'm like, whoa, that's a harsh reality. I understand her being ill, requiring, more of the attention and stuff, but in providing and giving all of myself emotionally, physically, financially, mentally, that's taking a toll on me too. But nobody asks, how are you doing?
So the first key takeaway is ask about the caregiver.
Ask about the caregiver. Bring the caregiver into the equation that they too need care. They need care just as much as the person receiving the care does. Hard job. And imagine, for me, I probably never said this out loud and I'll say it now. I don't have children, and that's because balancing children and a parent who is ill, I couldn't fathom doing both. But there are many people who are in what we call that sandwich generation, who are taking care of children and taking care of the elderly. And it's not just about elderly when we talk about caregiving either, because a person may meet in an accident and they have lost their mobility, they're, whatever the reason may be, and they're disabled or something and they need care. You have a child with a disability, you have a spouse who become ill and they suddenly need care. So it's in any format.
Yeah.
What did you find differently from women or between men and women in terms of caregiving?
So caregiving is primarily a job for women. You know, those kind of duties, domestic, anything that has to do with nurturing, is primarily a woman's job. But I was able to find men who were actively in caregiving roles doing the physical work, like washing, cooking, cleaning, bathing mommy, bathing bedridden mommy, changing diapers, putting on diaper cream and tendering to the bed sores and all of that. But you don't find a lot of men who are equipped enough to take care of especially their mothers if they're in a situation like that. So it's primarily a woman's duty. The men would normally offer the financial support, but a lot of it is on the woman.
You said already that you're the only child, but no aunts, no uncles, no cousins, no one there that could jump in and help?
A lot of my mom's side of family live overseas, so
Yeah, it was
And everybody knew what was going on.
Yep, and for the ones that were in Jamaica.
Okay, so that's another
So you didn't get any help?
Me, myself, and I.
I mean, you literally had to take off work sometimes, depending on how badly she got.
Sometimes, because I can remember days when, you know, and these are the things that really pained me. Like, I'd get up early enough to cook, but I have to leave enough for her to eat when I'm not there. At this point, she was bedridden. So if I'm leaving for work at 10:45, thereabout, by the time she wants something to eat at 2, 3, 4, 5, it's cold and she has to eat it. Or I'd get up and bathe her and ensure everything is okay. And by the time I got to work, she called me that she needs to be changed because she, you know, probably messed herself or something like that. And I had to just probably read midday news and go right back home.
So what kept you?
I just had to, I don't know, God. It's the only, God. And at a particular point, as much as, you know, there's this stigma around caring facilities like nursing home and stuff like that. Mom was not in favor of going to a nursing facility, but when it came to a point where your health is being compromised and your care is being compromised because I'm not physically able to stay at home and do all that needs to be done for you, especially when her health was deteriorating, we just agreed that, Mom, I know you don't want to, but it's better for you.
You had to put on your oxygen mask at that point.
Yeah.
Yeah, because you were.
Where
can we see it? Here are the features. Is it posted anywhere?
So it's on the RJR podcast,
Okay.
on the app, so
Okay.
should be there still.
Good on you, Tej.
Thanks for coming.
Super proud of
Thank
you.
you.
I love you.
Mama.
Love you too.
Podcaster.
Thank you.
And my twin, by the way.
Born on the same day. Hush, Tej. Never mind. It 14. Still to come.
Thanks again.
Still to come, folks. We visited another location in the island. Our Somewhere to Smile About Future is coming up. But first, we've got to do what Tej does all the time. It's news time.
Hi, Mom.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Pardon me?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm not too bad, my dear.
The people on Instagram missed you
They miss me. Why?
because I always post you. And they've not seen you in a long time.
Not see me.
Say hi, fans.
Hi, my fans.